So, do your clients have hair loss or scalp concerns? Well, you must be able to perform basic trichoscopy to look at the scalp under a microscope. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. Hi guys, my name is Kimberly Jenkins. I'm a licensed cosmetologist, a certified trichologist, and I'm here at Bauman Medical Center in Boca Raton, Florida. If you want to look at the scalp under a microscope, you've come to the right place. I'm excited to show you how to set up and use your hair cam light for the purpose of basic trichoscopy during a scalp exam. I'm going to show you how to take clear photos of the scalp for your scalp analysis before and after any treatment, and to look at the density and quality of hair in different areas. Now in this video, we're going to review unboxing, setup, and the basic use of the Wi-Fi and USB LED scalp microscope called the hair cam light. Now, as I said before, if there's a hair or scalp health concern, you must be able to perform basic trichoscopy to look at the scalp under a microscope. Now, we affectionately call this microscope the hair cam light because it fits right here in the family of trichoscopy tools, including our traditional hair cam, our hair cam pro, and the very big kahuna, the hair matrix microscope that we utilize every day right here in our clinic. So I guess you're wondering what's in the box, and I'm here to tell you. Your LED microscope, the hair cam light, a user manual, and a USB cable, and a convenient gooseneck stand, along with the tool to put it together. You can use this stand to hold your microscope when you're not using it, or to look at hairs that have been shed or plucked from the scalp. Now on the side of the scope, there's a switch for Wi-Fi or PC, the camera button to snap photos, and a LED brightness adjustment, as well as the focus and zoom adjustment. Here's a tip. Don't forget to charge the scope and take the tiny lens cap off the end before using. Let me show you how to set up the scalp microscope to work wirelessly using Wi-Fi with your phone. The first thing you need to do is to download and install the app to your phone from the App Store or Google Play Store. The QR code is included in the user manual on page 4, or you can search for InScam app. Once you have the app on your telephone, you're going to hit the app. When we open the app, you're going to see that it says InScam, view photo, a video, and please connect the device. Now, at this point, what you're going to want to do, if you're working off of Wi-Fi, is you're going to want to merge your camera with your phone's Wi-Fi. First thing you're going to want to do is to long press the camera button for 3 seconds, and you should see that there's a blue light flashing right here at the top. You're going to go to your settings. Once you go to your settings, you're going to look for the InScam in your Wi-Fi settings. Once you have your InScam connected into your Wi-Fi settings, then you're going to go to your InScam app, hit the app button, and as you can see, voila, you're connected. Once we have that done, we're going to go ahead and start to look at our patient's scalp. So what you want to do now is to make sure that your client is at a good height where you can see the top of the scalp. And I'm going to have you just tilt your head back like that. And the next thing we're going to do is to make sure that you have a clean, straight part. So I normally like to use combs that have a rat tail at the end so that I can part through the hair or glide through the hair very quickly and efficiently. So what I like to do is I like to take one finger and place it on one side of the part line, and then I like to take the other finger and place it on the opposite side of the part line. Now, once you have your scope onto your patient's scalp, now you want to focus and make sure that you can see. Now we're able to see a better picture, but also we need to adjust the resolution. Voila, there we go. So after I found the area that I want to take the photo, it's on the scalp. I can see that my clarity is really good, and I want to hit the camera button right here. So after you pick the photos that you want to send, you're going to that button, and you're going to it's going to show you different options. So of course, for those of you that have iPhones, you can always airdrop the photos. So there's the airdrop, and you can pick the device that you want to airdrop. Also, if you want to email, you can hit mail, and whoever you're going to email your photos to, those are the steps. Now let me show you how to use the HairCam Lite with your laptop or your PC. Now connect your USB cord to your scope and plug it into the USB port on your personal computer or your laptop. And you want to go to whatever camera system that you have on your computer. For the Apple, we have Photo Booth. Open up the Photo Booth application, enter full screen mode. You're gonna wanna make sure that your slide is switched to PC instead of Wi-Fi. You wanna make sure that your power button's on. So you're gonna wanna hold it. As you can see, you see the light, the blue light flashing, letting you know that it's on. And you can see the red light flashing here, letting you know that it is connected to your computer. Once you have it focused, then you can go ahead and start taking your pictures. And for those of you that are using a Windows computer, there's detailed instructions inside the manual on how to connect your camera to your laptop. So one of the cool features that I really like about this camera is the fact that it comes with a stand. So if you want to look at individual hair strands, you're able to do that. You're going to want to make sure that you have a white background, so you can always use the stand background, or if the black marks get in your way, you can always cover it up with a white piece of paper, lay your hair strands down, and then you're going to focus on the strands that you're looking at, and voila, you can look at individual hair strands. So now that you learned how to use the HairCam Lite, the next thing is to know exactly what you're looking at. So stay tuned, because coming really soon, we're going to have some classes on basic trichoscopy. And of course, you can go to www.hairlossclass.com for more information. So let me tell you what being a hair coach did for me. When I owned my salon and I had patients coming in that had hair loss problems and I wasn't able to address it, I took the hair coach program, and Dr. Bauman gave me the tools and the resources that I need to help my patients. I was able to discuss with them about their hair loss issues. I was able to give them practical things that they could use themselves. And for the situations that were a little more out of my control, I was able to direct them back here to Bauman Medical. So I'd have to honestly say that the hair coach class actually changed my life, and I'm so glad that I've taken it, and I really hope that you guys decide to take it also. If you have any questions about hair loss, trichology, scalp health, or you just want a one-on-one consultation with me or Dr. Bauman or any of our other providers, please feel free to visit www.baumanmedical.com and request a consultation. Until then, I'll see you guys later.